COSI, we believe science is everywhere and for everyone. It shouldn't matter if you're in our building in downtown Columbus or at home with your family. That's why we've created COSI Connects Kits, a themed kit with a week's worth of STEM activities delivered right to your front door. Do you live in a place where it snows every year? Maybe it's cold enough to have snow most of the year, like Alaska. Or maybe you live somewhere so warm that it never snows. Wherever you live, you can have fun learning about snow. This kit is perfect for kids in grades K through 8. Included, you will find all the instructions, links to videos, a collectible pin, and supplies that you need to complete science activities. Discover the fun of science in the comfort of your own home today. Learn more about COSI Connects Kits at cosi.org.